Alcohol use causes millions of injuries each year, tens of thousands of deaths. It accounts for nearly a quarter of the suicides a year and nearly half of homicides each year. It causes both short-term and long-term consequences to the mind, the body, the brain. Alcohol is believed to affect the membranes in the neurons, and it affects the ion channels and the communication within these neurons. Repeated use of alcohol over time can lead to permanent changes in these cells. So it functions like a benzodiazepine medication or a barbiturate in that it helps to calm down the mind and the brain. But conversely, there's a withdrawal in which it will have activation of the mind and brain when not using the substance. Alcohol can affect the mind and body in several different ways. It can lead to problems sleeping, including affecting the sleep cycles, so that one has less dream sleep or rapid eye movement sleep and has more stage 4 sleep. It increases the awakening and periods of interrupted sleep. Alcohol can affect the liver, and the liver is useful for the body because it helps to do a variety of things, including clean out the body from toxins and metabolize medications. And repeated alcohol use over time can cause permanent liver damage, even making it more likely that liver cancer occurs. Alcohol can also damage the heart, where the heart can enlarge, and if it enlarges, it's not going to function properly, and it won't be basically sending enough blood throughout the body and can lead to heart failure. Alcohol can also damage the bone marrow, and so it can basically decrease the immune cells within the body. It can affect the platelets, which are the molecules that help stop blood, and it can also decrease just blood in general, causing anemia and leading people to be more fatigued and have more prone into anxiety. Alcohol can cause a variety of other changes in the body as well. It can also affect the mind in that it leads to more depression, anxiety, psychosis. Even alcohol can lead to confusion, especially alcohol withdrawal. Not only can alcohol withdrawal lead to confusion, but it can increase anxiety. I said earlier that alcohol is a depressant where it slows down the mind and the body, but the withdrawal from it can activate the mind and body, more likely to cause anxiety, shaking, tremors, can even lead to, as I mentioned, confusion or seizures and death. There are some guidelines that are recommended to follow when deciding to drink alcohol. Because so much of alcohol matters on how much somebody weighs, it's typically recommended that for women to not have more than 2 drinks in a day, and for men not more than 3 drinks in a day. Also, you got to be careful about mixing alcohol with certain types of medications like benzodiazepine medications or certain pain medication like opioids, because those can work synergistically and slow down the breathing if someone takes it in conjunction at the same time. Also, with the barbiturate can also slow down the breathing. So some people accidentally overdose from that effect. Also, alcohol can lead to violence. People can lose their impulse control. It can lead to a lot of issues, and for some people, it's just not worth doing. They really have to be away from the drug or the substance altogether to be sober from it. The most effective way to be sober from alcohol, there are a lot of medication options out there, but the most effective way that's shown over the years is Alcoholics Anonymous, which is a 12-step program in which there's like this community support, and it really is based on Christian and biblical principles. Hope this helps to show some of the consequences of alcohol use. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if this was helpful and like the video for more videos like this one.